Nothing says you're going on a trip than putting all of your clothes on your dining room table for packing. So I kind of just want to show you like how I'm packing a little bit. I'm packing, we're gonna do like one carry-on for both of us to have clothes should something happen to our luggage. You know, I do not want to be without a fresh change of clothes. I've got, you know, undergarments and socks in here, and then I've got an outfit for Friday, which is this really cute, I actually just got it from Loft, this really cute little chambray top. I love it. It's super comfortable, it's super flowy, so I'm gonna wear that with some white linen pants because it's actually looking like it's Friday should be really sunny. So I've got that, you know, as long as we get there Thursday morning, so this is, you know, just in case something happens. So I've got that, and then I've got a pair of pajamas. Y'all, I don't do fancy jammies all the time, just trying to pack light. And then I've got an outfit to change into for Thursday when we land and go check into the hotel. I don't know that we're gonna be able to like get into a room, but we plan to like store our bags and change there. So I'll have my little rain jacket with me, and then I've just got a pair of jeans and then one of those Old Navy t-shirts that I showed you. And I'm just gonna have this in my bag. It's just a little scarf, and here's that really cute little cardigan coat situation. We've got, my dad is a Delta pilot, so we've got the little UK plugs, and then Robbie also has one as well. And then I'm gonna pack this is a thermal round brush. I love this thing. Game changer. I'm gonna have that with me because I plan to do my hair straight at first, and then I'll curl it once it gets a little dirty. And then I've got this really big power bank. Again, just, I don't know that we're really gonna need it, but if we do, we have it. That's kind of what's gonna go in the carry-on. So then I'm using these packing cubes. So I've got socks and undergarments in here. I packed this with pajamas, nothing fancy, y'all. I ended up I'm doing a pair of black linen pants from Old Navy, and then these are those little chino pants I showed you. So we've got those. And then I've got that white pair of jeans. And then since it is looking like it might be a little stormy in Edinburgh, and I'm gonna pack some boots, I just packed a different pair of jeans. They're a little bit longer than those cropped ones, and they're like a straight leg. These are the OG loose straight leg. I love these jeans. Yeah, OG loose, super comfortable, love them. Then I've got that little white top that I showed you, and then there's that cardigan. I've got a black, a white, and a gray t-shirt. Got those. I've got these little button-down Oxfords, and then I've got a black maxi dress I'm gonna take with me. I don't know if I'm gonna need it, but I'd rather have options for the evening. And it's just, it's a maxi dress, but it's got a slit down both sides of the leg. That's kind of what I've got going so far. Okay, hopefully this is okay. My tripod is put away. I bought some Blundstones, and I have honestly been looking for a shoe like this for wintertime, because I feel like when it's winter and it's cold outside, I don't know what to wear, like shoes. Like I used to have like a pair of short Uggs. I don't know where they went. And I have like Boston clogs, which I like, but I always wanted like just a pair of Chelsea boots. I somehow ended up on the Blundstone rabbit hole, and guys, I love them. So I did just get them, and I'm still kind of breaking them in. I've been wearing them with like really thick fuzzy socks, and like I literally just came in from watering plants, but I love these. These are the 585s, and I bought the unisex fit, I guess, because it says they're a little bit wider and they're not as like hard to break in. So I went with those, but I got these for the trip. And again, I'm gonna wear the heck out of these all the time because this is something that I've wanted in my arsenal anyways. And I was like, you know, perfect excuse to buy them. So of course I would have rather, you know, had them really broken in already, but hopefully they'll be okay. So yeah, love those. We're like literally in the final stretch. It's almost 4 o'clock now, and we plan to leave the house at like 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So I might try to film just a little bit, but again, it's gonna be like getting out the door. It's gonna be crazy, and like they have one more day of school, so that's tomorrow. So the kids will be up, you know, it'll just be a little bit wild, but hopefully everything runs smoothly. But anyways, I'm gonna go work, and I'll talk to you guys in a few whenever it's not so crazy. So. on the way, we stopped and got a 7 brew coffee, and we're en route to the airport, and then all of the things. So, you excited?
So excited.
A little bit nervous.
Sure, I need to get there.
Making sure our passports have not grown legs and ran away since we packed them up 10 minutes ago. But yeah. And we're kind of stressing out about the whole carry-on situation since we have a connecting flight. But hopefully the carry-on gets to stay with us and nothing crazy happens. I don't know. I guess I'm having a reaction bug. Anyways, catch up with you when we get to the airport. Okay, I will show you guys the hotel room in a little bit, but we just got here. We landed at like 6 o'clock. We got to the hotel around 9, and they were so gracious and went ahead and let us check in. So we were able to go shower and change, and now we're going to go hop on the double-decker bus, and we're gonna ride it around. Our first stop is gonna be Borough Market because I am dying to get my hands on those chocolate-covered strawberries and some of the risotto. So go do that, and I'll show you guys some sights, and look at our view. Look at this view. Oh my gosh. So pretty. Like, I love the shapes of like the windows. So anyways, let's go get some food. Just watch me. Okay, so we went back to the hotel room. Well, we rode the double-decker bus around, which you saw, and we went back to the hotel room and took a little nap, and now we're gonna walk around Hyde Park and do that for a little bit and then have dinner. We're trying to stay up till like 9 o'clock. We're dying. We're dying from this time change. So yeah, we're gonna go walk around Hyde Park and like, what? Let me show you this bird. Look at this fat pigeon. He's so fat. talk to you guys from the floor because I don't have a tripod, and that's the best we could do. So we ended up, what did we end up doing? We walked through Hyde Park, and then we ended up taking the tube down to Buckingham Palace, and we went to go see that. And we're gonna go back tomorrow for like the changing of the guard ceremony and really see it. But I mean, we're just honestly just trying to stay awake. And then we're like, let's do fish and chips tonight. So we found one. It's called Rock and Soul.
Yep.
Rock and Soul.
Place.
Plaise or something. It was delicious. We sat outside under the heater because it is freezing here. We thought it'd be a lot warmer, but it's not. I mean, maybe it's warm to like locals, but for us where it's 90 degrees at home, it is not warm. But it is almost 9 o'clock.
That's 8:45.
8:45. The sun is still way high in the sky, which is wild. So every other night we'll probably stay out a little bit later than we do tonight, but we're gonna unpack and take showers and just go to sleep because I feel like we've been up for literally hours. So yeah, days. I don't remember the last time I slept. So let me show you the sunset. It looks so pretty. But yeah, so I mean, really low-key a day today, and tomorrow we hit it hard. Tomorrow we'll do we're gonna do breakfast at the Watch House at Somerset House. I think we might not, who knows, we'll see how we feel in the morning. And then we're gonna do the change of the guards, which starts at 10:45, and then we have Westminster Abbey tickets for 12, and then we have like the Queen's Jubilee Gallery in there as well, so we'll do that. And then I don't think we have anything else written for the rest of the day. I guess we're just gonna see where life takes us. Maybe we'll go do like the Regent Park little walk on the little walkway to Little Italy. I don't know. I'll just take it easy and see as much as we can. So anyways, we're gonna go take showers and go to bed, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Look how pretty this is. I'm in awe. See if I can get the sunset a little bit. And it was super cloudy earlier when we were like walking before we came back here and took a nap. And then the clouds finally disappeared, and now they're like all the way gone. So maybe it'll be nice and sunny tomorrow. Hope so.